What's up, yins? So, as you can tell, it's nighttime. It is Christmas Eve. See? Okay. We're doing a road call. I've already recorded this dash report because, and you know, I wasn't really going to film it, but I will because, you know, why not? So, see this? I hope you all can see. Let's see. Hopefully. So the thing was, this thing wasn't shifting, right? That's how I found that. That's the shifter cable, because on a 2006 Toyota Sienna, that's how it is, right? They said it was rolling no matter what, wouldn't start. The guy, it came here with, luckily enough, and I think when they went to put it in park, it popped off. So, yeah, that's a problem. There's supposed to be a bushing right here, and apparently, matter of fact, what's all this shit right there? Looks like maybe the rest of them. I don't know, don't care. But I'll show you how to put it back together in reverse order. O'Reilly's had this here bushing kit in stock. And like I said, apparently it's a common problem on these Siennas. But I don't know which one to use. It doesn't really say. This is, I guess you just guess. So we're just going to guess. Let's see which one's which. I don't know. Do you know? Because I don't. Like I said, it's Christmas Eve, so by the time y'all see this, it'll probably, I don't know, might be Christmas Eve. Might not be. I don't know. Who knows? I don't. Let's see. Is it this one? I guess you just got a whole bunch of bushings and you just pick whichever one. This one works so fine. It's just, maybe it's one of these. I don't know. No. It's interesting. That fits in there. Oh, maybe that's how it goes. Hey. You're so stupid. I mean, I didn't know. Shit. I was thinking jam that bitch on there. It's kind of wonky still. Maybe I'll push it on there further. I like to push it on there further. Just for shits and giggles. Or giggles and shits or whatever. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's real cute. Huh. Yeah, okay. Hopefully that was the right one, because I don't think I'm getting it back over. Oh, turn it off. Turn that off. Shit. Oh. Reverse, neutral. Okay, well, shut up. Seems like it's working. So now we can reverse, put this thing back together. Yeah, this freaking thing will go up over there, like so. What are you hanging up on now, you raggedy POS? Okay, that's right there. Alright, so alright, let's get some screws going here, shall we? I should probably test this, but because I'm stupid, I'm not going to. And I'm just going to say it's good, and hopefully it works out. It probably won't, because I suck. Okay, well that's alright, whatever. I don't know what silver screw for that one, I don't remember. Oh shit, I still gotta get the bottom in there. Get in there, you raggedy bitch. Fix that. Because that's not sitting right. Right? Right. Fucking asshole. There we go. My top screw popped out. What a dickhead. Why did it do that? Why? Because it's an asshole. Why is it an asshole? I don't know. Just said it was. Just because it could be. That works out great. Okay. We'll put you in there instead. How about that? These screws kind of suck. Alright, so that goes there. This stupid metal thing. There's a... Get out of there. What are you doing? What the frick? What are you stuck on, you piece of shit? What in the absolute hell? There we go. Well, that was annoying. It's got little hangers on it. Hang there and right there. And that fits like that right there. Okay. There. There. And this one goes down here. Oh, not that one. Down here. Like that or not, maybe. Sure. Or not. There's another one over here. Right here. I think, right? Pretty sure. That's what we're going with anyway. Sure. Sounds great. All 10 millimeter, it's all 10 millimeter, mind you. Oops, wrong way. Dumbass. Oh, something finally tightened up. How about that? Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's that, and that. Somebody's been in this dashboard before, and it wasn't me. That. I'll take this, stick it here like that. What's the problem with Snapagella cause? Oh no, that was a. No, that's not that. This one? Maybe. I don't know. Not that one. Give me that. God damn it. There. What's everybody doing for Christmas? Anything? Not me, I'm not doing shit. Nope. I don't really care for the holiday, to be totally honest with you. Not that I'm trying to be a bah humbug, it's just not my thing. It used to be. It did used to be. But, that was long ago and far away. Now it's not. That's fine. Okay, there's that, and that. Is this still? Okay, cool. Yeah, like I said, it used to be at one time. I used to really like it, but yeah, that that's all over with now. Kind of my senses. So I guess I can put that piece back on too. I guess. Was there no? Alright, well, I guess there was. Oops, that's upside down. That's a problem, isn't it? Oops. Okay. And I got a couple over on that side. And that thing, and then, this piece here. This piece right here. Ah, shit. I couldn't put these up here, I forgot. Dumbass. Because this piece has got to go under. But they don't have to, they just have to pop them up some. That's all. No problem. There we go. Well, actually, that one you probably have to move. Yeah, there you go. This one can go back because it doesn't have a screw. Out. Okay, cool. The silver one goes here. Yeah. Of course, it's gonna fall like right in the freaking way, right? Because that's just the way it works. It's just how it goes when you're stupid. Okay, there's that. All right. Cool. Like that. And I'll put this on. I'll put this on. Snap together cars, man. I'll tell you what. Now, I did have quite a few screws in it, but not like talking about. I'll go here to this side. Put it the rest of the way together. And yeah, we should be good to go. My trick. Okay. Let's see. There's this one down here. Oh, there we go. Ah, shit. I gotta put that back in there. Snap together car. Put this right here. So really the only thing screwed up was that one screw. And that's fine. It's got a bunch of other shit holding it. There's that. Where is... There's this thing right here. Stupid little... I hate these little pissant clips. They suck so bad. There's that one. Do. Put the glove box back in. Oh, I got another screw right there. Oh. Oh, another one in there. Where the hell did that one go? We'll figure that out in a minute. Where the hell did that thing attach? Oh shit. Where did this thing fucking attach to? Oh shit. What the hell is that thing anyway? I must stop it from going up too far, I guess. I guess that's what that is. I don't know what that is. It's weird. What the hell is that? Because when I took it apart, it just kind of fell apart. Huh, interesting. I don't know. Looks like I had a little pin on it, but no, it doesn't go right there. Maybe it goes right there. I don't know. Oh, it's like a little shock. That's stupid. Yeah, that's what that's for. How dumb is that? Which one was it on anyway? I don't know. On there. Okay. And we'll go with that. Frick it. Frickety frick frick. Soft close. Ooh. Okay. So there's all that, that, and that, and that. Let's see what else we got here. Okay. I'll be right back with you. Alright, so we're gonna see if we fix this frickin' thing or not. Hopefully so. Hey, starts. That's a plus. Jesus Christ. Like every light on this thing. Every light in the house is on. might have to put my scanner on this. Jesus. Just maybe. Turn this light off right here. Is it going gear? Oh yay. Oh shit. Oh yay. Yeah. I'll get right back with y'all. I'm gonna turn this thing around, but I can't have the lights on to it, so it's gonna be dark. So be right back. Alright, so we fixed the shifter. That's good. It's all straight. But it was low on, needs oil and windshield washer fluid, so I figured while I'm here, let's do that and be done with it. Oh damn, I thought I was gonna do it without spilling it. I didn't. I think I got my computer with me, so I might put my scanner on this thing and see what all the codes are. This thing has had a code in it for where that thing was empty. Jesus, no wonder why. Damn, that thing holds a ton. Look at that. It's not even half full. That's again kind of glass. That damn thing holds a lot, don't it? Alright. Let's take this. Fill it right there. Perfect. I had a fun. Oh, there it is. I had to go down. Went down to the store, which is right down the street, thankfully enough. And and I had to pick up some oil for this thing and needed a. Well, that's kind of goofy. It's kind of pointless, isn't it? This is going to have to be a luck kind of thing. Yeah, maybe not. Let's see. Let's see here. This thing was pretty low. One thing you want to watch out for when you take the caps off here is the just crap right here. If you don't get all the loose crap off there, that could go down your motor. Not that it will cause a lot of harm, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. I've never had to do it, but it potentially could, and that would suck. Because it is like metal and plastic. You get sucked up in the screen of your oil pumping and that one. Let's see if I can do this. Can I do it without spilling it? Sure, says. Oh, yeah. What's it slow pouring so much? Oh, come on, dude. Don't take so long. There's a bee in there. I can see it. Can you see it? You see the bee? Are you gonna sting down, bitch? Let's see. Dude, one light might have been calling because so much was low on oil. Like it was, I don't know how low it was because it wasn't on the stick. I figured it's gonna at least be 2 quarts. So we'll start out with that. Yeah. Put that in there. So that was probably at least 2 quarts low. One more. One more. Glad I bought a gallon. I really don't know how much this thing holds. You know, with everything. I wonder where, I don't know if this thing got a massive oil leak or what. I've never looked, well, I haven't looked underneath of it. I would say if it wasn't on the stick still, it's probably going to take, let's see where we're at here. That's 3 quarts, I think. Something like that. Surprised it wasn't running shitty, because this is variable valve time and that requires engine oil. Almost. Probably put a little more in there. Let's leave it out. 3 quarts, I think. It's not going to take all of it, but it's damn sure going to take a good bit of it. Get in there. Oh, first time I spilled some. Ain't that a bitch? That should be good. Let's see, how much is that? It's the lid back on here. It's, well, actually, that says 2 quarts. So, I guess I only put 2 quarts in it. It was 2 quarts low, I guess. Allegedly. It feels like more than that, but maybe it's not. So it's 2 quarts low on Earl. And the passenger was low, but I already filled that up. Oh, yeah. Traces of it's weird. It's almost like a little milky looking. Keep an eye on that. Now it is full. So 2 quarts. 2 quarts low in the engine Earl. That's full. That's full. Let's see. Let me grab my computer and I'll be right back. Actually, correction. I can't put my computer on this because it's got cards in it, you know, for different programs. And right now the European card's in it and my Japanese card is at the house. So we're not doing that. Let's see. Got an exhaust leak too, I think. Somewhere in the front of this, I don't know where. Somewhere out here. I don't know where, but it's, I run out of cat or something. It's looks weird. Goddamn tractor. I'll probably seep it a little bit right there, looks like. But not. Not nothing off the wall. I already checked the coolant. The coolant was fine. Oh, I forgot my funnel. Huh. Alright, well. That's about all I can do with that, I guess. So, if you have a Sienna that all of a sudden doesn't want to go in gear or go out of gear or whatever the case may be, more likely than not, it's a shifter pushing. And I don't know what all years that, this is a 06, so I don't know what all year that covers. It's either sure, I don't know if I'll show you. The actual shifter is down, right down there. Right down there. And that's all metal. So I didn't assume that was going to be broke, and I wouldn't have thought the cable would be broke. So, process of elimination. Yeah, it don't run bad. Wet down there. The rack is so much wet. Maybe seeping out that line. I don't know. Anyway, it's dark and not much I can do with that right now. Oh well. Anyway, well, that's going to be that. I know it's kind of a weird little odd video that's probably not going to be very long, but it's something I do sometimes is road service for, you know, companies and stuff. There's a little insight on what I do when I'm not reviving shit. Like I said, it's Christmas Eve. So, there you hear it. Ooh, space sticker. What the hell's in my pocket? Oh, receipts. Got the receipts, bro. That's weird. That's so weird. So we got. Let's see, easy park. Reverse. Cool. That's a weird little shifter. I don't like it. Anywho, it's all back together. Good to go. And yeah, so that's a 06 Sienna, y'all, for shifter problems. Do me a favor, like, comment, share, and subscribe. That would be fantastic. Oh, broken windshield. Oh, fingers, not mine. And stay true to yourself, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. All that good shit.